Motor hopes that robotics do not become a humanoid that replaces humans, but works as an assistant to everyday life. Based on a vision, a lifetime company to unlimited humanity, we hope to promote a future where both robots and humans can coexist. So first, we have robotics technology that promotes mobility beyond human limitations through wearable robots and Spot. 2, we have robotics technology that allows objects to move freely using PNG modules. And lastly, 3, we're introducing the industry's first robotics technology in the era of the metaverse, which connects the metaverse virtual reality with reality. So please meet our robotics technology prepared behind the stage and to the side, and experience our metaverse technology prepared behind the stage. Now, Hyundai Motor would like to demonstrate our first robotics. So first, coming up, we have Spot, the 4-legged walking robot. Now before I go ahead and give it a proper introduction, I'm gonna let Spot take the floor and show his dynamic dance performance.
Better focus on what's charging me. Got to get it in it. Got you. Your opponent, you gotta 조금씩 달려가다 네가 쟁취해 내가 네 인식이 돼줄게. I own it. Takes my chance. I own it. Takes me there. 내가 원하는 건 simple.
All right, let's go ahead and give another big round of applause to Spot and his